Hi, here the big reviews, and thank you for visiting on this video. I know that it's very hard when it comes to searching for bathroom ceiling light. It's like many of them, but we never know which one we should choose because of course we're installing bathroom lamp once for a couple of years, and I facing that problems few days ago. That's why I decided to record video especially for you to help you with this and show you the best ceiling lights which you can have in your bathroom. If you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. First of all, what I've been searching for, it was the bathroom light which is very easy to install. Must to be of course super cheap in use, so less power consumption. And the last which I was looking for is that waterproof, because of course it's bathroom, so I don't want to damage the bathroom light after a couple of use, because not gonna happen anything. I want a really certified lights to my bathroom. So I start searching in, and what I found, it was this one. This light meet every kind of criteria which I'm mentioning. Very important that the light will be very easy in installation, which we can confirmation on the box, will be waterproof, which we have confirmation on the box, and also which will be safe in use, which will have confirmation on the box. These lights will save you more money than any different kind of light which you have at home. I'm sure about that, because producer even honestly give you estimating cost of your electricity on the box. And this is not just in UK. He was giving you look like opportunity in every kind of different languages. So this is really estimated how much you can spend, and that you can spend less than ever before. So this light, it's very good to install in the bathroom if you want to have smaller bill and good light. Onforu. And what is the best in this particular light is that we have unlimited option of power. We can take stronger or we can take little lower. I choose in the middle, so I choose 24 watts, and this is LED, of course, ceiling light. This is not just for bathroom, you can use it wherever you want. Very important for you will be always that light must to be LED if you want to save energy, and this is 24, but you can choose also 18 or 32. Every kind of power is available in description. I'm gonna give you a link when you can choose your options. You have also model with a circle ones. This is also up to you bathroom design. When I was searching for the light, the second very important thing, it was for me that the light must to be on my ceiling as much as they can be, but I really want to be sure that the warranty is there and is there as long as can be. I don't want, if something goes wrong, to searching for another ones or dealing with the producer or the shop why they're not approve my warranty because it's already too late. That's why I've been searching, and this Onforu producer LED lights really surprised me. When I opened the box, first what I saw that card, and on this card I read lifetime warranty. This really makes me feel super happy, because I was sure that I'm no need to be worried that will happen something with this light. And just in the case if will really happen something with this light, I was really sure that the lifetime warranty is there. You can register your product in 2 minutes to get the lifetime warranty, and also he say here free product upgrade. So if something go wrong, he will care about this, don't worry. I know that they give you like a lot of good reason to buy this light or to choose from this brand light, And this is not that I'm selling to you, but I definitely so excited. That's why I'm recording today's video for you, that once you start searching in, you will not search for any kind of lights which is on the market. You know, it's a lot of lights which is just because there is, they want to sell to us. But if they're offering like a lot of benefits from this light, which is like savings, money, lifetime warranty, waterproof, and easy installation, which we don't need to spend for electricians a lot of money because it's easy installation. So even you will need someone to install you the lights, we'll charge you just basic rate and will take him like 2 minutes. That's why now I wanted to show you how you can do this on your own if you really want to do it. Before you start your installation, make sure that you turn off the power just for your safety. And once you are ready, just find in the box this manual, producer offer manual, which is very easy to read because it's the image, and we can see how we can install. If you are still not sure how to install, you can watch this one, and also I will provide you additional video from the producer how to install your light in 2 minutes at your home. This part is for installation to the ceiling. It's very easy. You have just one screw and another. You just unscrew it. You put this one to the ceiling and you connect this both screws. Like you can see on this producer video, it's very easy and simple. Full video I definitely added to the description, so you can go and watch full installation about ceiling lights. Now I'm going to show you how you can install this one. This is included, so you don't need to be worried. And what you need to do, this is your ceiling cable. And this, what you need to do is basically you put color to color, right? So brown to brown, back, go in there, you just press in, okay? And it's installed. And now blue. Okay? Please make sure that there is connected. You must put pressure on it. So just press. And they will allow you to put the cable in. Make sure that the same color is blue to blue. And they're brown to brown. If it's dark blue and you have light blue, it's fine. Not gonna happen. This is full installations. Plus, you must just install this to your ceiling. Before you install to the ceiling, make sure that everything is already connected correctly. Just be careful. When installation is done, you should have the light above your head. I'm gonna check if it's working now. So that's how it looks like when installation is done. So like I showed you, if you're looking for ceiling light, Onforu is the best choice of ceiling light to your bathroom. And also on the producer side, you can find ceiling light for your bedroom, kitchen, and also outside of your home. Every kind of lights offering the same lifetime warranty. So really highly recommend you this brand. For today, thank you very much. If you want, you can watch me more. Don't forget to click subscribe just now. And thank you very much. See you in next video next week, guys.